Halo sahabat Indosat.
Halo sahabat Indosat.
Wah seneng banget hari ini Indosat si paling Timnas balik lagi di sesi Tanya Timnas. Bersama aku Selvin Jenita dan rekan aku.
Ada Panji Suryono.
Dan tentu kali ini kita rame nih berlima.
3 tamu spesial pastinya ya Selvin.
Langsung kita kasih aplaus
Tepuk
dulu
tangan dulu dong semuanya. Kece banget.
Welcome to Beckham, Amel, and Dean James. How are you feeling today? Gimana kabarnya?
Really good.
Perfect.
Bagus banget.
Bagus banget.
Oh, that's good to hear.
Bagus.
Oh,
He said it already.
that's really nice. So, welcome to Surabaya.
Welcome to Surabaya.
This is your first time coming to Surabaya. Is it your first time
This is
coming to
first
Surabaya,
time?
James?
First time.
Okay, really hope you enjoy Surabaya.
I hope so as well.
Alright, then so without further ado, Panji, kita
Yeah.
akan kasih pertanyaan ya.
Tanya-tanya timnas ya pastinya. Sambil nanti kita juga bukan sekedar nanya doang, tapi sambil bermain Jenga.
Yeay.
Nanti kita kasih tahu juga rules-nya ya. Pastinya rules-nya hanyalah mengambil stacks-nya dari tower yang ada, sambil dipindahkan ke atas tanpa jatuh, hanya dengan satu tangan. Ketika nanti jatuh, nanti tim akan memberikan pertanyaan kepada pemain yang menjatuhkan stacks-nya itu.
Yes.
Gitu ya.
Alright then, so really hope you're familiar with Jenga. Dan James, are you familiar?
Yeah, like
with
Uno.
Yeah, a little
Just
bit.
like
Yeah,
Uno.
it's quite easy. So, we're going to give you one question. Are we going to do like some hompimpa? Kita
Do you know
hompimpa mungkin?
hompimpa?
Do you know how to do hompimpa?
Apa itu?
Panji, kita kasih
Beckham,
contoh kali ya.
Beckham.
Ke Beckham ya?
Give the hand
like this.
example.
Hompimpa.
Hompimpa.
Layu
Gambreng.
gambreng. Gambreng. Okay, so Panji is like different one. So
Yeah.
Panji will be the first player and then you'll take your turn.
Ya.
Right.
Hompimpa
You have to sing.
alayung gambreng.
Oke, Dingus first.
Dean James first, and then Amel the second one, and then Beckham the
Beckham
third
the
one.
last one, okay.
We're going to go with the first question then. Would you share your struggle or probably pressure that you're facing at the moment as the professional athlete? Is it has a lot to do with your physical or mental?
I think the most difficult part for me is to wake up early.
You can
While you talk, while
answer
you-
the question, you can
Because
move
it's the way for us to distract you.
You cannot use both of the hands, just use one.
Just wait.
But I can do this as well?
No.
Okay. Check
Like from this part to the button.
Okay. But for me,
Okay.
is to wake up early in the morning.
Oh, that's the most challenging part?
Yesterday.
Yesterday.
And go up.
And
Put it
pick.
Oh.
Okay. So we're making new part of town.
Part of tower.
Okay.
Okay, you can finish your answer. So the most challenging part is waking up in the morning.
Yeah, it's not like pressure or something. I
Okay.
think football is what we all like. So I don't think there's a lot of pressure. Maybe when you're a little bit young and you play for the first time in a big stadium. But I think I had a lot of not a lot, but kind of a few. How do I say it? Experience now. So I have not pressure in a stadium.
Okay, so you're not a morning person.
I'm not a
Morning person.
What's the normal time that you feel like it's okay for me to wake up in?
12?
Dia ternyata paling susah tuh bangun pagi.
Bangun pagi, susah dia bangun pagi.
Enaknya bangun jam 12 siang. Siapa yang bukan morning person juga di sini?
Ya, sama. Ya.
Hashtag not a morning
Semuanya,
person.
ya.
Thank you, Dean
Thank you,
James.
Dean James.
Alright then. So the second question.
If you see the recently condition in Indonesia,
Yeah.
and do you prepare your mentally to face this situation in this country?
Well, of course, maybe I start and then I keep.
And
Yeah. I know, but it's difficult. There's tension here. Astaga.
That's really nice.
So, yeah, of course, it's not like a easy, argument, no? Of course, it's something that goes more than just football, no?
yeah,
When we talk about lives, of course, it's something that we just really we just need to take care, of course, of what we're talking about. And yes, everybody here, the players, but even the staff and all, we know about that situation. But the only thing that we can say that just to really take care of each other and just to be safe, just try to be polite to each other, and of course everything is gonna be all right, to trust to the people that you have next to you, and of course this is not my topic, the best topic for me. I'm not the right person to talk about of it, but of course as a person that he recently knew about this, and also my teammates, the only thing is that we can say, just as I said, just really try to don't go over, just to really stay safe, and that's it.
Does it give you nervous and distract you to
No,
the
of course.
upcoming games?
No, of course, but even if for us, it's just football, because we focus to prepare the games. But of course, if something happen, it's everybody are a little bit scary, no? But everybody, of course, here hope that nothing is gonna happen. That instead of scared, we hope to bring some joy and some passion, because I think football can be also an answer to this kind of problem. Maybe can just stay more unit than before,
Ya, jadi memang Emil bilang nggak nervous untuk kesini karena memang fokusnya hanya untuk sepak bola. Tapi memang semuanya pasti takut. Tapi ya ibaratnya kayak sekarang semua saling jaga aja menjadi satu, dan ya saling jaga aja ke depannya gitu ya.
Itu very heartwarming ya. Dan tadi Emil juga bilang bahwa harapannya justru sepak bola yang bisa membawa kita menyatukan kita dan membuat kita jadi lebih bersatu lagi. Kita kasih tepuk tangan dulu dong.
Football unite us ya.
Yes.
It's really nice. Setiap lihat timnas, gue ngerasa optimis dan bangga banget sama warga negara Indonesia. Pengen tahu apa sih rasanya jadi kebanggaan banyak warga negara Indonesia saat ini, apalagi bisa mempersatukan jutaan orang karena sepak bola. Wah, ini masih nyambung sama yang tadi nih.
Cepat dulu nih.
Boleh sambil.
So, timnas Indonesia makes us Indonesians very proud. How does it feel?
Cepat.
Put on the top, yes.
Sip. Biar lebih susah nanti. Ya, menurut saya ya suatu kebanggaan lah bisa memperkuat timnas Indonesia, apalagi saya adalah salah satu dari banyaknya jutaan orang bisa memperkuat timnas Indonesia, adalah salah satu impian semua anak Indonesia tentunya, apalagi pasti main bola ada tujuannya di timnas Indonesia. Dan ini adalah salah satu kebanggaan tersendiri, apalagi bisa mewakili jutaan Indonesia.
Terima kasih. Kita kasih applause dulu, kita kasih semangat.
How was it feel to win against AC Milan with Luka Modric, and you save his shooting, and how was it feel?
No, it was, of course, great feeling, great emotion. Do I start?
Yeah, you can.
Because it was his turn.
Because the question is for you, special from Fred.
Okay. Can I touch it also to make it a little bit?
No.
Terima kasih.
Come on, fast.
Easy.
Goalkeeper finger.
Of course, it was a great emotion. Of course, it's really hard to win in Milan, in San Siro against Milan, and everybody, of course, was happy. Me as well. I hope, of course, we could keep in this way, it's only the beginning, but of course, if you can start in this way with 2 wins, of course, just brings you a lot of power and energy and confidence to keep working really well. And it was really good, good feeling after the match. but even when you play, because when you play against with great champion in this beautiful stadium, it's something that it's really, emotional.
Jadi Emil masih menjawabnya sangat diplomatis ya, ini hanyalah awal, yang penting kita bisa mempertahankan momentum ini dan menjaga performa juga dengan baik pastinya, dan pastinya senang sekali bisa bermain di stadion seperti Milan yang stadion bagus dan punya history yang juga sangat besar. My follow up question is, what is your first word to Jay when you beat his team last weekend?
Easy. I'm joking.
I know you will tease him. What your first word to Jay?
No, I mean, it was a really tough match because, we won just the last minute of the game. And, it was really good game. I mean, when
tough game, yeah?
Yes, it ended 3-2. That means, at the beginning we were winning 2-0, and then they made 2 goals, and then we score at the end. Emotional games. I was saying before that I was happy to see him on the pitch with me.
Because his first game, right?
Yes.
Sassuolo, right?
It was his first game. No, I mean it was really funny because for the last 2 appearances here with the national team, we were roommates, so we talk about this, and now we're not anymore.
You make us proud, lah. Tadi katanya easy katanya kepada Jay, nggak bercanda katanya. Yang pasti dia senang melihat Jay juga tampil untuk pertama kali untuk Sassuolo, dan memang mereka juga sering sekamar juga, walaupun sekarang mungkin udah nggak sekamar lagi ya, karena Emil udah berhasil mengalahkan Jay, jadi musuhan. Nggak bercanda juga. Bercanda, just kidding. Okay, next question.
Tapi mungkin kali ini kita akan lempar ke floor.
Okay, lempar ke floor.
So we're going to ask if any of sahabat Indosat here has any question. Boleh angkat tangan. Kak Faris mungkin mau mengawali.
Selamat pagi. Nama saya Muhammad Faris dari Mojokerto. Ya, ini saya mau tanyakan kepada semua pemain.
Oh, but whose turn is this? Dean James? Okay, so the question will be for Dean James.
Harusnya Dean James.
Ya,
boleh nanti Selvin yang terjemahin.
Ini apa strategi yang dilakukan oleh para pemain untuk menghadapi kualifikasi Piala Dunia Round 4 ini? Karena sebagian besar fans timnas Indonesia itu mengharapkan sekali untuk tim squad ini bisa masuk ke Piala Dunia. Itu saja pertanyaan saya. Terima kasih.
Okay, terima kasih Mas Faris from Mojokerto, coming from different city. So welcome to Surabaya. So the pressure must feel like much bigger since lots of Indonesian supporters like gives you so much pressure for Indonesia to go to World Cup, right? So is there any specific or new strategy between within the team to the upcoming match?
Paling bisa Beckham. Paling bisa. Kompetitif juga Beckham ternyata.
It's difficult.
Adit, tolongin
Oh, it's good. It's still easy in the beginning, right?
Okay.
So if there's more pressure now,
And strategy, right? Like since the pressure becomes bigger, is there any strategy within?
From the coach?
Yeah, from the coach.
not really a strategy. I think we just improving ourselves now. This 2 friendly games to play with each other because we don't have a lot of time. I think the pressure. I think everybody knows how big the 2 games in October are. Yeah, it's for a big stage for the World Cup, of course, and I think for everybody it's a dream, not only for the fans but also for us.
Yeah,
it's an opportunity to play on the big stage. So everybody knows what we aim for, and I think when it's October, the pressure will be more than now because now it's just friendly games. But I think we are all excited for it, and for me, I can't wait to play the games. Yeah.
Jadi memang masuk Piala Dunia tuh impian kita semua ya, nggak cuma kita para fansnya, tapi bisa dikatakan timnya seluruh sih kayaknya ya, seluruh Indonesia itu.
Termasuk apalagi para pemain bolanya sendiri ya, mereka juga pasti pengen masuk Piala Dunia kan.
Betul, dan itu emang tujuan utamanya saat ini. Jadi kalau dibilang strategi sih, mungkin bisa dikatakan nggak ada yang khusus karena sekarang tuh semua dilakukan memang untuk memperbaiki terus improving the team. Dan justru berbicara soal pressure, pasti pressure yang dirasakan nanti untuk di Oktober akan lebih besar daripada yang sekarang.
Karena ini hanya uji coba sekarang ya, yang 2 pertandingan ini hanya uji coba, jadi mungkin pressure-nya baru akan di Oktober nanti kan.
Jadi kayaknya ini PR kita nih supporternya, karena mereka udah melakukan apa yang bisa mereka lakukan. Tugas kita adalah mendoakan dan terus memberikan dukungan yang paling baik untuk mereka semua. So all the very best, we're all supporting and giving the best of us for you guys. Oke. Di antara 2 pemain timnas yang ada di sini, siapa yang kamu pilih jika kamu terdampar di pulau? Oke, if you're stranded in a abandoned island. So between these 2 player, which one will you pick?
Harus fokus dulu. Sombong. Wih. Yes.
Ya, saya pikir ini pilihan yang susah.
Diplomatis banget.
Answer in English though, so they will know. Answer in English.
Ya, I think this is difficult.
What?
Difficult.
Pick one player.
Huh?
Pick
Pick
difficult.
one between Emil or
difficult,
James,
you know?
if he's stranded in an abandoned
Because this is two best friend also.
Shit.
I think I can pick 2.
Oh, you can pick both of them?
Yeah.
You will pick both of them? Boleh nggak?
Boleh
Nggak boleh.
You have to pick one.
Harus.
Between Emil and Dean.
I don't take it personal.
This is very difficult.
Siapa yang lebih bisa diandalkan, Bek?
Go with Dean.
Maksudnya,
Go with Dean.
untuk jadi kakak, untuk bisa diminta tolongin, siapa yang lebih bisa?
Atau yang jago masak?
I think Emil.
Emil.
Because no, because he's
more senior ya?
more senior.
Yeah.
Like
You
Yeah,
can-
more funny.
and big guy also.
Iya, ya bisa gendong dengan kalau capek.
I think Emil.
Thanks, man.
Emil, will you choose Beckham?
Of course.
Buat ketiga pemain, ada ritual atau kegiatan khusus nggak sebelum dan sesudah pertandingan? Misalnya makanan atau minuman apa gitu?
Emil, do you have any rituals or special rituals before or after the game for yourself?
Not something really special. Yeah.
Beckham paling bisa emang.
Not something special.
Yeah.
I mean,
Yes. Again.
Careful, guys.
okay.
Goalkeeper finger.
Yes.
You can tip the Jenga. Yeah. Okay.
Not really. Nothing special. I mean, just a few things, but there's not a proper ritual. You know.
Okay.
I mean, before the game, just listen music,
Music, okay.
and then
What
when-
kind of music?
Well, it depends. I mean, I like a lot of different type of gender, you know,
Okay.
in the music. I go from, I don't know, hip hop
hip-hop.
on to the rock, even something metal, you know. But yeah, nothing, you know,
Nothing
like
special.
that I call ritual, you know.
Okay.
Maybe the only thing I can say, I don't know, I would say that one that protects you here in this part.
Oh yeah,
I'd
condition.
say.
Shin pads
Yes,
ya.
shin pads.
Deker kalau bahasa Indonesia.
Usually
deker,
I
ya.
put the right one first and then the second one. But this is you know, something that I really, you know, care. I mean, I'm focused. I don't know, maybe I'm preparing myself and then I put the left one and I said
Okay,
no, I put the right one
You have to put
first.
the right one first.
But I don't know why, no, because it's something that I always did, no. So I just keep doing like this, but there's no one reason.
I see.
This is the only thing that I do. But
Just a habit.
yes,
Just habit.
for all the other things, there's like a routine, but
Routine.
this is like just warm up, you know.
Yeah.
How you prepare for a warm up and go on the pitch, but this is not a ritual.
Ya. Jadi dari Emil tadi bilang nggak ada ritual khusus ya, paling hanya standar mendengarkan musik untuk menjaga moodnya, sama tadi paling rutinitas yang biasa dilakukan, tapi paling katanya ada kebiasaan masang shin pads atau dekernya itu yang kanan dulu untuk sebelum kiri. Kalaupun dia masang kiri dulu biasa langsung ingat karena untuk menjaga fokusnya dia kan, sebagai sebelum pemain kayak menjaga fokusnya sebelum bertanding, itu aja sih paling.
Ya harapannya sih doakan kami dan dukung selalu di round 4 karena Tina Buddha, karena kita juga pernah bermain lawan Arab dan Irak juga, kita sudah tahu kemampuan mereka dan saya pikir ini bagus juga buat persiapan kita di round 4 dan semoga kita bisa memaksimalkan 2 pertandingan itu dan menuju Piala Dunia.
Thank you for your amazing support. We can feel it, and of course, all this support make us really proud to be here and try to share this moment with you. Of course, everybody know which is our dream, what kind of dream we have, and try to share with you. We try, of course, to give us our best, but only with your support you can do it. So, as I said, thank you for your support. Keep following and keep pushing to the right path.
What Amy was saying for me is keep believing in us.
Yes.
I think it's all starts with belief in it, and we are really thankful that we got so much support from you guys.
Yeah.
And I feel it as well in my body when I'm on the pitch. Also when we play away, Australia, Japan, the stadium is full. It gives me a really good feeling, and keep belief and keep the good spirit.
Yes.
Thank you,
Jadi kita
Dean.
penuhi stadionnya
Yes.
karena itu juga salah satu bentuk dukungan
Keep
dan membuat
support
mereka.
and keep believing. It's our dreams together, right?
Yes. Kita kasih applause sekali lagi dong yang paling meriah. So thank you so much. We're going to get ready for the second part. Untuk semua yang lagi nonton, thank you so much. Ini di sesi Tanya Timnas di Indosat Si Paling Timnas. Boleh lo kalau mau meramaikan kolom komen dengan pertanyaan-pertanyaan teman-teman, atau mungkin siapa ya pemain selanjutnya yang mau kita datangi.
Nah, bisa kita undang juga tuh. Sahabat Indonesia pasti bisa request juga tuh ya di kolom komen ya.
Yes, jadi hopefully kita akan ketemu lagi di Tanya Timnas selanjutnya.
How about your feeling in Surabaya?
It was nice. I mean, first time for me here, so new
How's
city.
the weather?
Sorry.
The weather? Is it hot?
But the funny thing is everybody, I mean, a lot of people say, hey, watch out in Surabaya because it's so hot. Panas.
Yeah, panas sekali ini.
But honestly, I haven't found out yet because, we're always in the hot.
Yeah.
Just only yesterday we went out for the first time, but we trained in the late afternoon. So, and it was quite good, I mean, it was even fresh, some wind. But, I mean, it's nice, of course. We don't have the possibility to go out and visit a little bit, but from what I see from my room, it looks nice.
Do you enjoy the view?
Yeah,
I saw your Instagram story where you
on the golf
shot the
course, yes,
view.
it's nice.
That's really good to know.
Have you tried Surabayan food?
Not yet,
Not yet.
honestly.
Tuh,
Any
give him recommendation for
Yes.
him.
Rawon?
Rawon,
Okay.
ya
Do you
Allah.
have any restrictions?
Well, usually we try to follow like every time we have our routine also with the food, So usually we try to follow like a schedule for the food, and so we don't have the chance to try like some local food.
Local food.
But I don't know, maybe sometime they put something, really Indonesian.
Oh yeah.
Indonesian style, So it's okay.
So you will have a chance to try.
Yes.
local food. Jadi ada batasan kalau lagi mau pertandingan tuh makanannya udah ditentuin.
Udah ada meal plan-nya ya, meal plan-nya udah ada.
Meal plan-nya. Tapi kadang-kadang suka kayak dimasukin lah kayak makanan-makanan Indonesia gitu buat teragam menunya. How many Indonesian words have you caught up? How many Indonesian words?
I mean, a few of them, of course. I have to learn more, of course. But like even in the past, now with my family, they always try to put me some words. When I went on vacation, also with from the people from Lombok, I try to speak and tell me something here, something Sasak. But most of the thing in Indonesia.
Oh, so some words in Lombok local language, Sasak?
Yes, Sasak. Yes,
see.
so the local Lombok. Yes.
Yeah. Any Indonesian favorite? An Indonesian word that's your favorite or the most used one?
Astaga.
Sometimes You say Astaga Naga?
Yes, yes, also this one.
Astaga
Yeah,
Naga?
like more.
Like, you're
More
more
dramatic,
surprised.
Yes, more
More
surprised.
dramatic. Astaga
Yes.
naga.
Astaga Naga.
That usually is really common, no? That something happened like astaga. But the one who uses more is my mom, who is Italian, yes,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
still
Yeah.
use it. So yeah, it's fun.
I see.
Actually, now all my family is in Lombok, so
Okay.
for some from vacation, some others because, for example, my dad still lives there. My mom is for vacation, so
Okay, so
it's
your
good.
mom traveling back and forth
Yes,
from
yes.
Italy and Lombok.
Yes, we spend a few, I don't know which period, but usually we stay around 1 month there.
I
Then
see.
we go back, and maybe, I don't know, my father's come to visit me in Italy, and then he goes back.
Ada rekomendasi mungkin yang Beckham belum cobain? Makanan apa yang wajib dicobain di sini?
Tadi rawon aja sih udah.
Udah cobain.
Dicobain
Tapi yang
semua.
lain-lain kayak itu belut kayaknya.
Kupang udah cobaan, baik.
Belum kupang. Belum. Kalau belut biasanya kan ada Irianto kan dulu
Iya,
di
iya,
Persib.
iya,
Jadi Irianto sering
Suka
bawa.
bawa ya. Belut.
Pagi.
Halo, Selfie, nice meeting you.
Nice to meet you.